I'm here today to share some tips for how I make my conversations with my mom on FaceTime more entertaining in light of the fact that she has dementia and it's not always easy for her to communicate or find the words for conversation. She is in a nursing home, and unfortunately I haven't been able to see her because of the pandemic, but the staff has been wonderful about regular FaceTime sessions. So when I'm anticipating a FaceTime call from her, I actually prep a few things on my desktop or my laptop that I'm going to use in conversation. I do take the call on my iPhone, and then as it comes in, I bring the iPhone over to the computer and I just kind of hook it onto that. Let's see, there you go. So we have the ability to talk and I have the ability to be hands-free. Then I bring up some favorite files if I don't already have them ahead of time, and in the course of conversation, I take her to some of her favorite memories or things that she loves. You know, as an example, what you see here is I've prepped a video of Vera Ellen and Danny Kaye dancing in White Christmas. She loves dancing. So during the course of the conversation, I might bring that up. I might start them dancing, and I'll have the sound up, of course, and flip the camera. So what she sees on her screen with the iPad over in the nursing home is a wonderful close-up version of this dance taking place. And she oohs and she ahs. I can talk over it if I want, or I also have the ability to, as an example, bring the music up, flip it back to me, and do a little chair dancing, right? I have a chair that rotates, and make her use her arms, put them up a little bit, and together, without a lot of effort, we can actually chair dance together. So that's just one possibility. Other things that I do is I like to bring up Google Photos, so I have all the photos of her really, really handy. I kind of like go over to my photos, I'll talk to her, I'll say, do you remember the time so-and-so? And in this sense, situation, I've prepped a picture from a birthday that was so memorable. We had a wonderful ice cream cake and flowers and a birthday queen balloon, and of course, flip that picture. So now I'm talking to her and she's saying, oh, is that me? When was that? Oh, look at those beautiful flowers, or whatever she is able to say to kind of show her recognition of that day, or how pleased or happy she is to kind of see this cheery photo. Obviously, it works to show lots of pictures of family, grandchildren, and what have you. The other thing is I love to sing her favorite songs. One of them is Que Sera Sera by Doris Day. And similarly, I might bring up a video of Doris Day. I might sing on screen. I might do a combination of both. And on a really good day, I can kind of hear her mouthing the chorus, which is simply remarkable. And there'll be other times where she won't remember the words, but she still has a little bit of ability to read. So I actually prep the lyrics to a song and again, just go in really, really close up on lyrics, and that might actually help her sing. In this instance, I've picked Do Re Mi, which is obviously a simple song from the Sound of Music, which is very recognizable. And the other fun thing that I like to do is I have found on AmericanGreetings.com, they have these smash-up cards where you can actually put your loved one's name into a card that is sung by Donny Osmond or Dolly Parton or William Shatner. And it's always a surprise to them when they hear their name sung, as well as sometimes see it in lights. And as a perfect example, I'm going to bring over this video. And you can actually see my mom was kind of like clapping there and hearing Donny Osmond, put her name into the actual video. And here is the video just for a close-up look of what you do. You know, he has sung her name and she's seeing him sing, and then she is suddenly seeing her name in lights, right? Like that. So just one more technique that's kind of like fun to add a little bit of cheer into your loved one's life. I hope that this has been helpful to you and that it makes for more meaningful conversations with your own loved ones. Thank you.